Hey, what's up, Mr. Birdie? Pee-wee, don't talk to the birdie. Oh, he coming over here. He think he got some food. We ain't got no food for you, man. But you do like a big old sandwich there, Pee-wee. I think he like it. Oh, Shady, I think we need to go. Let's just see what he's gonna do. Shady, let's go. Uh, that's right, back up. Uh-huh. I think we better go this way. I don't think he like it. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? Uh-huh. Yeah, boy, you look like little finger licking. See, Shady, I told you we need to go. He talking about eating us now. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he mad now. He calling his mama and daddy. We about to go. Look at him. He trying to circle around us. Oh, water coming in. Oh, here come his mama. He's coming. There's his mama right there. His mama coming in for some. We out of here. You don't want none of this. Don't make me turn around. Your baby said feed him. What you telling me no for? Your baby the one that's howling, hungry. Said feed me, mommy. See? The wildlife and fishery. Oh, they getting gangster. Time to split.